Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So this is the Brooks Hyperion Elite 3, the most expensive sneaker I ever bought at 165 euros, the retail being 250, so I got them on a good discount. I do know this is a racing shoe, but I'm not an athlete. Every sneaker I review is from a casual perspective anyway, just like the channel description says, so don't get hurt by my reviews. And I did wear these for about 80 to 90 kilometers in Monaco, but also back home, and this is how they look. Okay, so I'm going to do my classic review with the things I don't like and the things I like, and I'm going to point out some things that no other reviewer did, so keep watching. First of all, the price, of course. These are extremely overpriced. There's only one colorway, there are no accessories in the box, no extra laces, nothing like that, not even a shoe tree, a paper shoe tree, something for that ridiculous price. Come on, we need to keep exposing these companies that are ripping people off. And by the way, don't tell me these are 250 euros because they have a carbon plate, because carbon is not that expensive anymore. I do know they pay a lot of athletes to promote their sneaker, but still. The second thing I don't like, these had a very heavy stench out of the box. I don't know what was up with that. The tongue is pure trash. It's stitched on one side, it's gusseted on the other side. I had to remove a piece from the insole because that stitched fabric kept on pulling up the insole. A very horrible design decision. The tongue also had some extra fabric on the edge, which kept on rubbing on the foot, so I had to remove that. Also, it didn't really look that great on feet. The midsole is kind of thin. You know, other brands can do a 4 centimeters for the half centimeters midsole. These two midsole halves should have been nicer. The two parts that sandwich the carbon plate should have been glued on this design line they did here. I don't like the fact there is no view of the carbon. If I pay for a carbon plated sneaker, I really want to see that carbon. When walking on a flat surface, these make a suction noise, which you can also feel under the foot. And there is heavy pronation. Pronation is when the feet sink towards the inside, so in my opinion, these should have been engineered better. The exposed midsole on the outsole started to show signs of wear. These outsole patches should have been bigger. The upper, which is not really that special, started to fray already. As you can see, hopefully the camera focuses. This is really not good for a 250 euro sneaker. Anyway, let's see another on foot and I'll be back with the things I like about them. Alright, so what I really like about these is the design. I will buy a sneaker if I like the design. This is a brand new brand for me, it's a very fresh brand. Even though the outsole is made out of these small patches, it's super grippy and actually easy to clean. I've wiped these with some antibacterial wipes before filming this. They are very lightweight and super comfortable. I could walk for days in them. I will put the weight on the screen for this size 10 I got. And also these are very breathable. I do like this nitrogen infused midsole material. I like the POV look of these. They are wider on the toes, narrow towards the back. And even though the padding is minimal, I like how it's stitched on the sock liner. I've noticed this on other super shoes. But there you go, those are my first opinions on the Brooks Hyperion Elite 3. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for watching.